I want to show you how to stretch your hamstrings. It's a rather simple stretch. All you have to do is find a place to sit down, put one leg up, and then we're going to reach down, try to touch our toes. If you can do that comfortably, we're going to take it a little bit further. We're going to try to touch our nose to our knee. This exercise or stretch is about a 5 to 8 second hold. We're going to do each leg 3 times, 5 to 8 seconds. I want to show you how to stretch your hip flexors. Hip flexors are an extremely important muscle to help keep your low back stable. So what we're going to do, we're going to be doing a stretch that stretches this area right here. We're going to get down in a stance like this. We're going to keep our torso straight, and then we're going to lean forward, keeping this behind us. Again, a 5 to 10 second hold, 3 times each leg will help you stretch this area out and help keep your low back in better shape. I want to show you how to stretch out the gluteal region. There's 2 simple stretches to do for the glutes. First of all, we're just going to put our leg up, reach up and grab it. We're going to pull that knee to the chest while we leave the other leg flat on the table. Again, a 5 to 10 second hold each leg. Now the other stretch is a little more complicated. We lay flat, we pull our leg across with our opposite arm. It'll give us a nice stretch down in through the gluteal region. Same thing, 5 to 10 seconds, each leg 3 times. Here's a real nice stretch to do for the low back and the abdominal muscles. As you can see, I'm sitting on my feet, and for some people this may be an exercise we can't do. We may have to modify it and put you in a chair. But we sit on our feet, and then we just bend forward and reach as far as we can, and just stretch and let that low back stretch out. From there, we just transition forward and extend our back and stretch our abdomen. Like every other stretch we do, we're going to do this 5 to 10 seconds, 3 times for the back and 3 times for the abdominal muscles. Here's a little twist to stretching the low back. Instead of sitting on your feet and bending forward, what we're going to do is we're just going to sit in a chair, reach down to our feet, and just stretch as far as we can. A 5 to 10 second stretch. And we're going to do that for 3 times, trying to stretch the low back out as much as we can, loosen everything up. I want to show you how to stretch your quadricep muscles. Help keep your legs nice and loose, help keep your low back nice and loose. Quadriceps are in the front of the legs, so we're going to just pull our foot up, put the heel to the buttock, and just stretch it back as far as we can. 5 to 10 second hold, and then release. We're going to do that with both legs, but there's a little caveat to this. If it's a little bit difficult to do this, you can actually do it laying down on the floor, laying on a bed, laying on a couch, whatever you can do, and get a hold of your foot and go ahead and pull it up wherever you are, whatever's a little more stable for you. If it works for you and you can feel this muscle stretch, that's the real important part. 5 to 10 seconds, 3 times each leg. I want to show you how to stretch out your calves. This is a real simple exercise. It's called the wall push. What we're going to do is we're going to step up against the wall. We're going to lean in with our foot, with our heel off the ground. Then we're going to lower ourselves down all the way to our heels on the ground, straighten our leg, and again hold it for 5 to 8 seconds, and then release. We're going to do that with both legs, and that'll give you a nice stretch of the calf muscles.